guys, so today I'm gonna be talking about the Math2 Big Project Quarter 4 for High School Math 2, and I'm some from grade 10. So yeah, so for this project, it's about the probability, and the question that I have for this is, would you prefer Caucasians or Asian guys or girl as your life partner? So I have to find out by survey the high school students and make a table to find the probability and condition of probability. And let's see the result. So this is my name right here, and this is Quarter 4 Big Project for High School Math 2. And this is our lovely teacher, Miss Sam. And these are the keywords. So, introduction. For this project, I come up with the life partner topic. I want to know about, like, do the Asian female and Asian male students want to choose a Caucasian or Asian life partner? So I have to find out about the Asian and Caucasian life partner, because I feel like people in my age and like above get more serious and like interested in life partner, and like for this century, they're like the religion and nationality are free and disclosed to everyone, and people has the right to be with someone that is not in the same religion or country. So if they like truly love each other. So for my research question is, for males and females question, would you choose Asian or Caucasian as your life partner? So for my hypothesis is, female students are more likely to choose Caucasian life partner, and male students are more likely to choose Asian life partner. So yeah. And for this selecting variables, it about like you have to say like what is the independent or not independent events. So for me, this is like female or male that shoots Asian or Caucasian, because these are the one who decided, like they are like the one who decide what they want in their life. So it's independent because they're human beings, nothing can change them. But for the response variable, it's about nationality of life partner, because it depends on the females or male. It is independent because it is dependent because the decision of people choosing can be changed. And for the factors that you need to be controlled is nationality and exposure. For the methods, students are the population of my big project, and there are 150 people, so I choose my subject by looking at my problem, and it's about life partners. So the population age between 14 to 18 is like perfectly for my question because they're teenager. And the population is high school students, and I'm going to ask question like, would you prefer Caucasian or Asian guys or girl as your life partner? And I will collect them by separating Asian girl that shoots Caucasian, Asian girl that shoot Asians, Asian guys that shoot Caucasians, and Asian guys that shoot Asian, and put this information into the data and see the result. So yeah, I'm using the table to answer the problem that I had. So yeah. So for statistic method, so you need to like say about like the rules of it, and they're like, if this they're independent, if this they're not independent. and we'll see the result if it's balanced. So for the results, there I have chosen the two ways table because it really fits the information that I have. So from this table, as you can see, the population for this survey is 150 people, and males are more likely to choose Caucasian life partner more than choosing Asian life partner. And for females in age between 15 to 18 are more likely to choose Asian life partner more than choosing Caucasian life partner. And the total for female and male choosing Caucasian life partner is 62%. And the total for female and male choosing life partner is 88%. Is here. And yes, so Asian life partner is the most wanted from both of the genders. So this is the probability from the table. So yeah, so you basically need to use this information and like see the female of the total of the female and divided by total. Yes, so you just like find what they want to ask you and like divide it and use the calculator for calculating it. And yeah, this is just the equation for it. So this is my graph for the result. Yeah, so it's like basically the same, but it shows you more about the differences. And this question, the outcome of the survey was males are more likely to choose Caucasian life partner more than choosing Asian life partner. So, but for female in age between 15 to 18 are more likely to choose Asian life partner more than choosing Caucasian life partner. So, as I had been asked many males and females from high school students, most of the Asian teenage girl like Korean pop or like Thai actor more than Western actors. So they have like I think like they have thoughts of being with Asian that like they know about Asian stuff more than Caucasian smell or Western. One of the reasons for the outcome is Thai is a developing country and they still have many poor people and uneducated people, so they don't know much about like the another countries, I guess. But for the conclusion, as I predicted for the hypothesis, female students are more likely to choose Caucasian guys as their life partner, and male students are more likely to choose Asian women as their life partner, according to the number of people choosing for 59% of all the total. The hypothesis that I predicted was rejected because the outcome with the rule is not balancing, and male students are more likely to choose Caucasian life partner. It's 53% of the total of male, and more than choosing life partner, it's 47% of the total of male. And this is the standard that I have to write the 3 essential questions. And yeah, for SCP-1 and SCP-2, it's about like the independent of the events or not independence event. And we learn it because like we can know the probability of things in real life, and we can use the basic knowledge of probability for applying to the university. And SCP-3, it's about like understanding the conditional probabilities. For SCP-4, it's about like finding the probability by using the two-ways table, and we know that we have learned it because we use the two-way table for my big project. I use it for finding the result. I think it's like the easier way to find the probabilities, and we can see the conditional probability as well. For SCP-5 and 6, it's about slope conditional probabilities and independent in the events. And we know that we learn it because I understand and I can explain it. For example, like they are there's people that participate and there's people, so these are the total. And for SCP-3, it's about applying the additional rules. So like you need to use this rule for solving the problems. Yeah, we learn it because we can apply their knowledge to the university, and probability theory gives you one way to think about these decisions and may help you take control of them. SCP-9, it's about permutation and combination, and yeah, there are like two types of permutation, which are repetition is allowed and no repetition. We have learned it because these two are the basic thing of probabilities, and they are part of the probabilities. It's one of the most important thing that you need to know, and you can apply it for the university. And for SMT6, it's about fair price. So you basically like have to use the cost of the raffle and like the number of the ticket that has sold out, and you need to be like divided together to find the fair price. But for SMD7, it's kind of different because they'll give you like a table, and they give you the information of like most of everything, but you just need to divide it. The equation is E and like times, P times V. Yes, so you will get the fair price. So when you get it, you need to plus and like add up everything together. And we have learned it because when we start doing the business in the future, so we can predict and find the fair price that suit the cost of losing money to break evens. And it's the basic knowledge of math. You can use it to apply to university also. And these are the references that I use, and these are the link. Thank you.